Hey guys, I'm Deepthi Desikan and winter is here and it's made an appearance, and I'm sure most of us are facing the same issue, that is dryness, dullness, and the skin is not looking like its usual self. Maybe we have a solution for that. So I have with me right here the Simple Protect and Glow skincare range, where there's a step-by-step regime to take care of your skin. Now, Simple as a brand is all about making products that is kind and gentle on your skin and made with skin-loving ingredients. Simple Protect and Glow Vitamin C range contains the most effective and stabilized form of vitamin C, which makes it the most advanced and potent range, which gives you the kindest boost of glow. And another added advantage is that this range has a powerhouse combination of niacinamide and vitamin C, which is just like a cherry on top and works like a wonder for people with acne prone skin as well. Now, needless to mention, all of the products from this brand are free of artificial perfume, color, and dye. Now, anyways, I will get started with talking about the products and how it worked for my skin. So now the first product we have right here is the Simple Vitamin C Glow Face Wash. Now, I like to use this during the daytime as well as during the night, and also every single time I want to make sure that any of that makeup residue on my face is taken off. I want to make sure that it's gone. I use a cleanser like this one, which is very effective in cleansing my skin and making it nice and clean, but being gentle on my skin. This is a 100% soap-free face wash, so it doesn't dry your skin out, it doesn't strip your skin dry and make it feel really like, it's stripped off all the natural oils from your face. It doesn't do anything like that. And also, this cleanser is said to be hypoallergenic and non-comedogenic, so it can be used by people with sensitive skin as well. Now, moving on to the next step, we have here the Vitamin C Glow Clay Scrub. This scrub is said to have 100% natural bentonite clay and bamboo exfoliators, which removes the excess oil and dirt from your face. Now, what I really like about this scrub is that unlike other physical scrub, the exfoliators present in this are really nice, fine and minute. And in the process of exfoliation, it doesn't really create any micro tears in your skin. So it exfoliates the dead skin cells off and gives you a more smooth, even and hydrated skin, which is also attributed to ingredients like glycerin and ginger root juice. So I use this scrub every single time I feel like my skin feels dull and uneven, and I want a physical scrub that can get the job done but without being harsh on my skin. I've been really enjoying using this scrub now more than ever, especially since my skin has been breaking out. So yeah, I've been really liking using it because it's not aggravating the situation all the more. This leads us to the next step, which we're going to be following, which is the Vitamin C Brighten Clay Mask. Now, it's been a while since I've used a mask that I really like, and I also feel like, can work on people with excess oil production and acne prone skin. So this mask has helped me with my acne situation that I have currently, and it's not aggravating it all the more, and it is to an extent cleared my skin out. So the key to products like this is consistent usage, and you have to make sure to use it at least quite consistently to see the results. It has the same amazing ingredients like the scrub, so you're not introducing too many new ingredients all at once, and your skin is already used to such ingredients, so it's not like it's a complete clash of ingredients, and you can easily follow this regime step by step. So I like to put this mask on, leave it on for 5 minutes, just like how it's recommended on the tube, and once it's like a little bit dry, wet it and then wash it off your face. Make sure like you're not too harsh on your skin, so wet it a little bit and then wash it off. So next up, we have one of their best-selling products, and this one has 3 vitamins in it: Vitamin C, E, and F Booster Serum. So this is a potent yet stable formula that gives you glowing skin, strengthens your skin's barrier, and moisturizes your skin at the same time. So this is a non-greasy, non-sticky formula that penetrates deeply into your skin to brighten dull skin and improve uneven skin tone. This serum has the goodness of vitamin C, which is a great antioxidant and an anti-aging ingredient that reduces age spots, again being gentle on your skin. So you can use this even if you have sensitive skin type, because the kind of vitamin C that is used in this one is sodium ascorbyl phosphate. So if you are usually sensitive to the typical form of vitamin C, which even I am, like it triggers my skin and it takes my skin a lot of time to get used to it, which I don't have the patience to wait and watch, a serum like this would really benefit you. So once you're done with your mask, you can pat your skin dry and apply this serum without rubbing on your skin too much and being too harsh on your skin, because remember, the whole point of this skincare range is to be kind and gentle on your skin. So the last step in this regime that we have is the Vitamin C Moisturising Glow Gel. So this has a very nice light texture but instantly nourishes and hydrates your skin. You can see the minute you apply it on your face, it just looks like your skin is all quenched and nicely hydrated. It is said to give 72-hour long lasting hydration, and an ingredient called pentavitin is what supports that process. So what I really like about this is that it locks in that hydration and doesn't make the skin feel really dry, but also it doesn't feel like it's too heavy and greasy on the skin, and it's like sealing the deal with this last step in the routine. And I really like to use this moisturizer even underneath makeup because it just makes my skin look really nice and nourished and plumpy. So even all of my makeup products go on really nice and smooth on top of this moisturizer. So I really like how my skin is looking currently, and from the way it was, it's like a huge improvement, and I'm so happy with it. And I'm not disappointed that winters are here anymore, because with a good routine like this, you can set things right, and sticking to a regime like this could be a fruitful one for a lot of you as well. So I will make sure to link all of these products in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and let me know what you think about these products. Have you tried out all of these products? Let me know in the comment section down below. And while you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.